Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I will be showing you the way of watching saved password in your Windows computer easily without any software, just by using simple CMD commands. So first of all, I'm going to run by typing Windows and R at the same time and going to CMD. Enter. When CMD appears, simply follow me and type the commands that I do. netsh wlan show profiles. Okay, when you type this and press enter, all the connection that your PC has will be appeared. Those are the connections in my PC, of which I just don't know the password of New York Wi-Fi. This is connected, but I just don't know the password of this connection. So I'm just going to find it out. What I'm going to do, simply highlighting this by double clicking and Ctrl C to copy. Okay, now again type some comments like netsh wlan show profiles, and then some extra commands are name is equal to inverted comma, the name you have copied, now paste there, inverted comma again, space, the last one is key is equal to inverted comma clear, and then inverted comma again, and now simply press enter. Just don't worry, simply find the security settings and under that go to key content, and that's the password of that connection your PC has. So this is the password of Bangladesh 286. This is the password of that connection which you don't know, which I really don't know. Okay, and that's a simple way of finding out the set password in your PC easily, just with some simple clicks of CMD. You will be able to get those writings in the description too. For the ease of your access, you can take it from there. And lastly, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience if you have any better idea than this, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.